Cardano is a middle-tier coin with the ticker ADA. It is currently worth $0.329567 and has a market capitalization of $11.526.042.342. Digital currencies are no longer just a plaything for tech nerds, opportunists, and unknown sellers, which is a big deal. These days, digital currencies are heavily regulated and accepted as legal tender, which is very important. Some big venture banks even buy Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. The fast growth that is hurting the traditional financial markets right now is a good time to talk about our short, mid-term, and long-term predictions for the ADA market. These predictions are based on the readings of our unique crypto unpredictability record, which helps us check the market opinion and especially predict where the market is going at this point. Cardano costs 0.329567 BTC. While the coin is currently in 7th place in the overall ranking, they thought that the ranking was based on its current value plus its market capitalization. A recipe that is used in every financial market. Our administration keeps an eye on any changes in these three areas so that our clients can get the most important information about how digital assets will be used in their investments. It's also important to really think about the facts that can help you get a good understanding of how the market works and what it means. On July 26, the price of Cardano was 0.292830 at the end of trading, which was an increase of 13.82% from 7 days earlier. On July 19, ADA was valued at 0.284404, which means that the price hasn't changed since then. A month earlier, on June 13, a market participant put the price of Cardano at 0.275320. In this way, the coin has really moved 19.70 steps to get to where it is now. The analysis of market capitalization is just as important in digital currency markets as it is in traditional markets, which is a very big deal. In fact, the same numerical method is used to figure out the overall position and popularity of digital currencies and stocks, for example, which is very important. Changes in market capitalization are almost always bad, and they show how the market is doing. This very specific number is also used to compare Cardano's strength to that of the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Changes in this area could also offer an indication of Cardano's future success. Clues about how it will be presented in the future to figure out how much ADA is really worth on the market right now. We sort of increase the stockpiles limit, which will be figured out later by the current value of the cryptocurrency under study, which is very important as of today. The market capitalization of Cardano remains at $11.526.042.342, which explains why it's in a good place in every way that matters. This was mentioned yesterday, July 20, when ADA had a market capitalization of $10.239.120.632, which was lower than pre-vail. Supply takes into account the number of coins that have been created on purpose, such as through mining. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading or stored in investors' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement also takes into account the number of coins that have been removed on purpose through a cycle called consuming, which is used to control the growth rate, which is very high right now. ADA in conclusion, the coursing supply is used to figure out the market capitalization and the coin's current standing in the market. It shows the amount of ADA that is being traded across all exchanges, except for coins that are locked, frozen, or temporarily taken out of circulation for unknown reasons, which is a very large amount. It's generally thought that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investments. This is because these currencies are most likely to keep their value over a long period of time, possibly years, while still growing at a reasonable rate. At this point, 34,973,274,830 Cardano coins have been in circulation over the past few hours. ADA's trading amount reached 447,837 to 420 win yesterday, July 20. The average weighted trading volume at the end of the trading period stayed at 198,810,582. 7 days prior on July 19, how much ADA that basically was traded between market members truly was assessed at 231.757 to 665. In spite of prevalent thinking, presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability list (CVIX), since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will really follow over the course of the following 1 to 5 years in an unpretentious manner. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a very exceptional recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business. Tomorrow on July 14, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 13.70 move that will last take the cost to the 0.374730 level. Incredibly, in 7 days, most of the time, the price of Cardano will make a lot of noise around town. As a result of a 16.46 move in 30 days. ADA will get close to the 0.294206 level. At a 10.73 change in price, Cardano will end up at 0.376431. With a 14.22 change in price. Incredibly, the price of the coin in question will go up to 0.458240 in 1 year, with a 39.04 change in price. The CVIX says that in 2 years, Cardano will lay out a traction at 0.468606 after a 42.19 price change. In 3 years, ADA will show up at the 0.901137 price level after a 173.43 move. In 4 years, Cardano will lay out a traction at 0.468606 after a 42.19 price change. Cardano will be worth 0.991251, which is a change of $200.77 over 5 years. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key